Dear student, we are facing lockdown from 22nd of March 2020, and under this time our education is completely shut down. So another mode of education which remain among us, that is the online mode of education. Knowledge cannot be stayed. Under this session, we are moving forward and starting our online classes. And under the session of online classes, today we will discuss about the subject of mathematics and its topic is a polynomial. Students, word polynomial. This is second lesson of standard 10. We have the word polynomial. The first question should be arising in our mind that what is polynomial. I think you have first learned this topic in standard 8. Here are two words. One is a poly and other is a nomial. Poly means many. Nomials means steps. Then we can define this as an algebraic expression having more than two terms called polynomials. An algebraic expression having more than two terms is called polynomial. Polynomials are categorized. Polynomials are categorized on the basis of their powers. The standard form of polynomials are ax plus b, ax plus b, ax square plus bx plus c. Then categorized as a polynomial means linear polynomial. How we can identify maximum power are variables, each one. Another is a quadratic polynomial. How can we determine maximum power of variable is 2? That is a quadratic polynomial. Third is a cubic polynomial. This is a maximum power of variable is 3. Then its standard form linear polynomial, maximum power is 1. The standard form of linear polynomial, standard form of linear polynomial is ax plus b. Second is quadratic polynomial. Its standard form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. and third is a cubic polynomial, and under this the standard form of cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. Under linear polynomial ax plus b is equal to 0. Here x is a variable and a is constant. The maximum power variable is 1, so that we can say it is a linear polynomial. X, we will see x. X is a variable, a is coefficient and b is a constant term. Under quadratic polynomial, x square, maximum power of this algebraic expression is a 2. This is a 2, which is maximum power. Then maximum power of variable is 2. It is a quadratic polynomial. Here x square, x, these are the variables. A, b is coefficient. A is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, and c is a constant term. Another cubic polynomial, standard form of cubic polynomial ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. A is coefficient of x cube, b is coefficient of x square, c is coefficient of x, and d is constant. Means in the algebraic expression of linear polynomial there could be two terms. One is a variable and other is a constant. Under the quadratic polynomial there could be three terms. X square is coefficient. X, this is a first term, this is a middle term, and this is a last term. Last term is called constant. In constant term there will be no variables. Standard form of means cubic polynomial. There will be four terms. There are four terms. If any term is absent, suppose in ax plus b, b is absent, and represented in the standard form. Suppose we have linear polynomial. Standard form being ax plus b is equal to 0. Suppose we have only 3x. Here b is absent. Then what we can write or what we can say, because the value of b is 0, so that b is absent. Or we can write as a 3x plus 0 is equal to 0. Then 3x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 upon 3, x is equal to 0. Means if any term is absent, definitely its value is 0, so that it is absent. It does not require to represent, means 0. 0 not play an important role for the representing of the constant. Similarly, in quadratic polynomial, its standard form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. But if we have ax square plus b is equal to 0, it means we have first term and b here plays a role of constant term. Means b have no coefficient. If b have no coefficient, it means that b have no variables. जब b का कोई variables नहीं है, when b have no variables, then it determines constant term. तब ये constant term के form में determine हो जाता है. अब इस इसमें ax square plus b equal to 0. That means if we solve it, then ax square equal to minus b, x square equal to minus b upon a. If we remove square from here, then x equal to under root minus b by a, which minus value of b up to standard term 10, it has no root value. Then we can say x square is a quadratic, and under the x square is a quadratic polynomial, x square is equal to minus b by a. Or suppose we have a 3x square plus 5 is equal to 0. This is also quadratic. Why? Because maximum power of algebraic expression is 2. If the maximum power of algebraic expression is 2, it means it is a quadratic. And to find solution 3x square, remove 5 from left side to right side is equal to 0 minus 5. 3x square is equal to minus 5. X square is equal to minus 5 by 3, or x is equal to under root minus 5 by 3. And here it could be plus minus, means number of zeros, the number of solution under the linear polynomial, there could be one solution, 1. Here it could be 2 solutions, 2 quadratic. And cubic polynomial, इस स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में जे ax cube plus bx plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. That means here are 1, 2, 3 and 4 steps. Any step is absent, that means its value is 0, because if 0 is coefficient of any term, then it becomes 0. Suppose we have say ax cube plus c bx plus c equal to 0. It has only 3 steps, 1, 2 and 3. इस 3 स्टेप में मैक्सिमम पावर है 3. We have a maximum power is 3. 3 means ax cube. And maximum power of this polynomial is 3, so that it is a cubic polynomial. Now, here x square is absent. We have 3 power 3, then 1, then 0. It means an term having a power 2 means coefficient of x square would be 0. And when coefficient of x square is 0, then x square into 0 is equal to 0. It doesn't require to express under the algebraic expression. So that ax cube plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is our cubic polynomial. Now, another content. Then if we categorize the polynomial in another way, suppose under the term, if we have 3x square or 3x, another x square plus 1 or x square 2x square plus 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. X cube plus 2 or x cube plus 2x plus 3 or x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 3. These all are polynomials. X cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. 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 3x square is equal to 0 here. The maximum maximum power of variable is 2, and here is only one term, means middle term its coefficient is 0, constant term that is also 0, so that it has only one term, and an algebraic expression having only one term, they are called monomials. Mono means one. Monomials. Similarly here, this is a monomial and its maximum power is 1, so this is a linear monomial है। यदि आपको पावर 1 दिख रहा है, मतलब पावर दिख ही नहीं रही, यदि पावर दिख नहीं रहा तो उसकी वैल्यू 1 है, और 1 वैल्यू जिसकी है वो लीनियर है। यहाँ पर x² + 1 = 0। फर्स्ट टर्म और अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन में जो वेरिएबल है उसका मैक्सिमम पावर हमारे पास में 2 है। पावर 2 है, यानी दिस इज ए क्वाड्रेटिक, here is only 2 term, then we can say this is a binomial, 2 term binomial। Here is similar, 2x² + 3x + 4 = 0. This completely indicates to this its standard form, so that this is a quadratic and maximum power is 2. This is a quadratic and here are more than 2 terms, so we can say this is a polynomial. In general language we can say it's a trinomial, but like in English में है ना, सिंगुलर नंबर फिर प्लूरल नंबर, वैसे ही इसमें दिस इज ए मोनोमियल मींस सिंगल and all these are polynomial, plural. This is also binomial or cubic polynomials. This is a trinomial or cubic polynomials, and this is a completely indicated its standard form, means ax³ + bx² + cx + d = 0. This is a ax² + bx + c = 0. ax² + bx + c, this is standard form of quadratic, ax³ + bx² + cx + d = 0. So now I think you have clear that what is polynomial. We quickly revise an algebraic expression having more than 2 terms is called polynomials. If a polynomial having maximum power 1, then it is a linear. Maximum power 2, it is a quadratic. Maximum power 3, this is a cubic polynomial. Now here question अब आता है, क्वेश्चन इसका सॉल्यूशन क्या है, मींस नंबर ऑफ जीरोस, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय जीरोस? इफ सॉल्यूशन और इसी को बोलते हैं दैट इज ए नंबर ऑफ जीरोस। नंबर ऑफ जीरोस को क्या है? नंबर ऑफ जीरोस मींस our algebraic expression at which point intersect in x-axis. Cartesian plane में if we represent it graphically, then this is our x-axis and this is our y-axis. This is a origin point. X by right side and left. There are 2 directions, left and right, up and down. Right direction are positive, left direction are negative, means that is a positive and this is a negative. Similarly, upward direction are positive and downward direction are negative. मतलब लेफ्ट डायरेक्शन, अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन, आगे की ओर या ऊपर की वैल्यू जो है वो है पॉजिटिव, और डाउनवर्ड यानी पीछे नीचे की ओर की वैल्यू जो है वो है दैट इज ए नेगेटिव, वो नेगेटिवली रिप्रेजेंट करता है। अब यहाँ जीरोस का मतलब हुआ कि कोई भी अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन, एनी अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन एक्स एक्सिस को कितने पॉइंट पर इंटरसेक्ट करता है। सपोज इफ बी टेक्स a line in this way, this is x axis and this is a y axis, तो ये लाइन L x एक्सिस को एक पॉइंट पर इंटरसेक्ट करता है यहाँ। Therefore the number of zeros is 1 and it intersect only one point in x axis, therefore number of zeros is 1, इसलिए इसका नंबर ऑफ zeros क्या होगा 1 होगा, और नंबर ऑफ zeros 1 है यानी सॉल्यूशन उसका कितना आया 1 सॉल्यूशन, और 1 सॉल्यूशन आ रहा है यानी वो किसमें आता है हमारा लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल्स, लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल्स। if any line segment, if polynomial में it intersect 2 points, suppose it intersect in this way, then it is a intersecting x axis in 2 points, means here and here. It could be here also in this way. X axis it intersect x axis in 2 points, so solution number of zeros or number of solution is 2. Here 1, 2 and 3, 3 places पर ये intersect कर, 3 जगह पर intersect करता है, इसलिए इसके नंबर ऑफ zeros होंगे 3 और इसके नंबर ऑफ zeros होंगे, नंबर ऑफ zeros 2 आ रहा है यानी जनरली दिस इज ए क्वाड्रेटिक, और इसका नंबर ऑफ zeros 3 आ रहा है, सो दिस इज ए। अब सपोज करो ऐसा आ गया ग्राफ में, so this line suppose L does not intersect at any point of x axis, so number of zeros are 0, इसका कोई नंबर ऑफ zeros नहीं है क्योंकि ये x axis पर कहीं इंटरसेक्ट नहीं कर रहा है, कहां पर इंटरसेक्ट करता है y पॉइंट, y axis को इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है, इसलिए इसके नंबर ऑफ zeros कुछ नहीं है। तो नंबर ऑफ zeros by graphically we can represent on the basis of intersection, जितनी जगह पर इंटरसेक्ट करता है वही होते हैं आपके नंबर ऑफ zeros, जितनी जगह पर x एक्सिस पर, y पर नहीं, x पर जितनी जगह वो इंटरसेक्ट करेगा वही होंगे उसके नंबर ऑफ zeros, क्योंकि अपने इंडिकेट करते हैं by px polynomial of x. So if you have a figure and find out the number of this, suppose this here one graph, another graph, one more, means it intersect x axis at point 1, 2 and 3, so number of zeros इसके होंगे 3। ये हमारा ग्राफ है कि x एक्सिस को कहीं पर इंटरसेक्ट नहीं कर रहा है, y नेगेटिव पर इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है, इसलिए इसके नंबर ऑफ zeros क्या होंगे 0। ये x एक्सिस को 1 2 3 4 5 पर 5 पॉइंट पर इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है, इसलिए इसके नंबर ऑफ zeros होंगे 5। ये x एक्सिस को एक 1 पॉइंट पे इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है, इसके लिए नंबर ऑफ zeros होगा 1। ये सपोज करो इधर भी इंटरसेक्ट कर दिया ऐसा पैरेलल, तो इसका नंबर ऑफ जीरो हो जाएगा 1। ऐसा नहीं कि एक ही लाइन जाना चाहिए, इधर भी है इधर भी, दोनों कंसीडर नहीं हो, वन लाइन, either you take in this side or you take another side, because these two lines are different. Then when we learn pair of linear equation, जब हम pair of linear equation देखेंगे तो यहाँ पर दो दो पॉइंट मिलेंगे, लेकिन हम अभी पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, इसलिए हमको एक पर ही देखना है। तो नंबर ऑफ जीरो चाहे आप इसको ले लो इस साइड या तो इस साइड, नंबर ऑफ जीरो जाएगा 1 है, डेफिनेटली किसमें आएगा, लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल में। अब कोई भी सपोज करो इक्वेशन में डिटरमाइन करो कोफिशिएंट, कोफिशिएंट क्या है, तो हमारे इस भी है एक क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c इक्वल टू 0 मींस x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x माइनस 3 इक्वल टू 0। देन कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x स्क्वायर इज 1, कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x इज 2, और मेरे पास में आया कांस्टेंट टर्म इज -3, बिकॉज अवर स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म इज ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, here is minus, therefore we can directly say constant term is -3. So another example, let's say 3x square minus 4x plus 2 is equal to 0. Coefficient of x square, coefficient of x square is 3. Coefficient of x is -4, not 4, -4, because standard form indicates to the plus, -4, and our constant term is -2. If we take another example, (3x cube plus 3x square plus 4x). It means that coefficient of x square is 3, coefficient of x is 4, and constant term is 0. So in this way we can determine the quadratic polynomial and we can find the coefficient of x square, means power 2, power 1, and constant. Suppose if we have a cubic polynomial, then for cubic polynomial its standard form is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. This is a standard form of cubic polynomial, maximum power 3, ax cube. Now therefore, if we have an equation x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 4 is equal to 0, write coefficient of each term, then coefficient of coefficient coefficient x cube is 1. Coefficient x square is 2. Coefficient x is 3 and constant term is 4. If we change the symbol, suppose here is minus 2 and here is also minus 2. Then our value, the coefficient of x square is minus 2 and constant term is also minus 4. In this way, we can find out the coefficient and constant term of cubic polynomial. We can determine. Now, solution. Is solution or not solution? Then, for solution, we make a process or we make a factorization of the polynomial. Evaluate, find value x. Suppose if we have px equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus 4 is equal to 0. Evaluate x equal to minus 2 and 3. It means 1p minus 2. Then substitute or put the value of x means minus 2 in place of x. x जहाँ पर लिखा है उसकी जगह पर आपको माइनस 2 देना है। जब माइनस 2 देना है तो आप लिखोगे 2 माइनस 2 की पावर 3 माइनस 3 माइनस 2 स्क्वायर प्लस 4 इज इक्वल टू 0। अब यहाँ पर माइनस 2 का पावर 3 तो आप लोग जनरली क्या कर देते हैं माइनस 2 इंटू 3 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 6। ऐसा प्रॉब्लम या मिस्टेक्स देखने को मिलता है। माइनस 2 पावर 3 इट मीन्स that minus 2 is itself multiplied 3 times. Means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 it means minus 2 2 ja by 4 2 ja 8. Minus 2 minus 2 minus minus plus. If we have same symbol in odd, then you will put the constant symbol. यदि आपके पास में सिंबल ऑड में आ रहा है तो आपको जो सिंबल है वही रख देना है। यहाँ पर मेरे पास में 3 ऑड है और सिंबल माइनस है तो हमारा सिंबल माइनस आ जाएगा। तो यहाँ आया आपका 2 into minus 8 फिर minus 3 यहाँ पर इसका मतलब 2 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई इवन में आ गया तो ये हुआ आपका 4 plus 4 is equal to 0. Now multiply minus 2 with 8 minus 8 into 2 minus 16 minus 4 3 are 12 plus 4 is equal to 0. Minus 16 minus minus 28 plus 4 is equal to 0 minus 24. This is our answer. Its value is p minus 2. Now another is a p3 means substitute 2 3 का पावर 3 minus 3 3 square plus 4 is equal to 0. यहाँ पर भी वही मिस्टेक नहीं कि 3 3 जा 9 3 का पावर 3 means 3 का कितनी बार मल्टीप्लाई है 3 times. Then you will take as a p3 is equal to 2 and 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 ja 9 3 ja 27. Here is a 27. Minus 3 similarly 3 into 3 3 3 3 9 plus 4 is equal to 0. Now multiply 27 by 2 as 2 by 27. 2 का 27 में मल्टीप्लाई करो, यस 27 का 2 में मल्टीप्लाई करो तो ये आ जाएगा 27 2 या 54 माइनस 9 3 या 27 प्लस 4 इज इक्वल टू 0 इज इक्वल टू 54 प्लस 4 इज इक्वल टू 58 58 minus 27 is equal to 31. So this is a value of P3. So if you have a question, then evaluate of the polynomial by given values. तो आपको इस प्रकार से वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करके उसको सॉल्व करना है. नेक्स्ट कंटेंट आएगा आपका फैक्टराइजेशन, जिसे अपन नेक्स्ट सेशन में कल डिस्कस